Hi everyone, I am Shahzad. You're watching the shopping channel. Today I am talking about Vivo Y53. Its price is changed. Now its price is $140 US. Its price in Pakistan is 14,000 rupees. Today I am unboxing it and I'll discuss about its features. It's a black color, so let's take its review. Please
It's a Vivo Y53
and click on the bell
it's
icon.
a black color. Its main specs are 3G and 4G LTE supported, GPRS and Edge. Body dimensions are 144.2, 74.1 and 7.6 mm. Its weight is 137 gram, aluminium full body, front full gloss, IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 million colors, 5.0-inch display size. Display resolution is 540 by 960 pixels, 220 ppi density, multi-touch, OS Android 6.0 Marshmallow, which is upgradable to 7.0, Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 chipset, quad-core 1.4 GHz processor, dual SIM standby, nano SIMs, dedicated memory card slot which is supported up to 256 GB, internal memory is 16 GB with 2 GB RAM. (2500 mAh long battery), Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, USB on the go supported. Its rear camera is 8 megapixel, autofocus LED flashlight, geotagging touch focus, face detection HDR, beauty mode, panorama. Its front camera is 5 megapixel. Its accessories are 2.0 ampere adapter, hand-free and data cable, SIM ejecting tool, user guide. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for latest videos about mobile phones and gadgets.